Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year, sir.
होप इस न्यू ईयर में आप लोगों ने अपना अपना रेजोल्यूशन भी बना लिया होगा, राइट? लाइफ को कहीं अच्छा डायरेक्शन दे पाए यहाँ से, दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस. Today we are starting a new topic for you. This is one of the interesting topic, and obviously you have to be very careful while solving the question. This is not only based on one topic or like the question you will get, and this would be from permutation combination or maybe probability or the combinatorics or the binomial, right? Everything is mixed in this case, right? So I'll start from the scratch here, exactly how it's going to be. Just give me 2 minutes, Makani. See, usually this is known as, in like layman language, I can say this is known as permutation and combination. And combination. But the topic permutation combination is, I guess, this is not the name of the topic. This is the operation, permutation and combination. Actually, the name of the topic is combinatorics. Right? In how many ways we can count? In how many ways we can, right? In the easiest way, how many ways we can count? Right? So combinatorics is an area of mathematics concerned with counting, right? And obtaining the result, right? With a certain finite structural operation, right? We have to apply certain structural operation and we have to get the answer of that. That's known as counting or obtaining the result of this by different methods, right? With an example, just I'm going to show you exactly what we are going to do. Let there are two bags. Let the name of the bags are A and B. Bag A contained 2 black, 1 white ball, and second bag contained 2 white, 1 black ball. Right? We have to select the ball one by one from the bag. Right? One by one from the bag means if like it's a starting position, right? In this starting position, maybe possible I'm going to step 1 or step 2, right? If I'll start with bag A, maybe I can start with bag B, right? So both the options we have. Maybe I can start with bag A or we can start with bag B. So let's suppose I'm saying okay, I'm going for first bag, right? Bag A. And second option there is bag B. Bag A, right? We have reached to bag A now. When reaching there, I have two options again, right? Maybe I'm getting white ball or getting black ball. But in bag A, only one white ball is there, right? And bag B, there are two black balls, right? So if I'm getting white ball, so now I have only option of black ball. But when I'm getting this black ball, we have option of either a white ball or a black ball, right? Similarly, in bag B, if I'm going, right, this is for bag, right, not a bag, black ball, and this is black ball, right? So again, I have two options in the first case, right? First case, either the ball will be white or black, right? In the case first, we can see there are two white balls, right? If I'm taking one white ball, then in the second step, we have option of white and black. And if we are drawing a black ball, right, then again we have the option, right? For this case, already we have taken the black ball, so we have option of white ball. Two white balls are there, right? So if we can see, right, after counting, we have one, two, three, four, five, six. Six options are there when we are starting from a point, when we are saying we have two bags. Now, entire question was something like that. If we have two bags, bag A contain two black and one white ball, right? And bag B contain two white and one black ball. Bag first, name of first bag is bag A, and second bag is bag B. And we have to draw a ball, then after draw another ball. In how many ways we can draw the balls, right? So this was the starting point, right? In the starting point, first we have to choose the bag. So either I'm choosing a bag A or bag B. Let's suppose I'm going for bag A, then we have two options. Either I can draw a white ball or a black ball, right? In case first, if I'm drawing a white ball now, bag contain only black ball, so it has to be black one, right? It's coming out, right? Now, in the second case, if I'm saying if I'm drawing black ball, right, then again we have two options because two black balls are there. One ball we are drawing, so we have one one white ball and one black ball, right? If I'm going for bag B, so we have two options, right? Again, white and black. If we have drawn the white ball, then we have two options, white ball and black ball. And then the second, again, if we are drawing the ball that is black, then I have to go for white ball, right? So this is the condition, right? So in the counting process, it's like every time we have to make the structure of this is called tree diagram. We have to make tree diagram, then we have to get the result. So it will be very difficult for us, right? Every time we have to do something like this, so that will be very difficult. This is the first example I'm giving you, right? Maybe in different types of a question will be asked on this, right? Like, see, the second example of this, if I'm giving you, right, in a library, right, there are books, बहुत सारे बुक्स मैंने रख दिए, राइट? सेल्फ में बहुत सारे बुक्स रखे हुए हैं, राइट? The books are there in the library, right? But I'm saying the self one contain 25 mathematical books, right? And second contain 20 physics book, right? Now we have to select one math and one physics book, right? Maybe having the volume one, 2, 3, 4 up to 25, and second, like all the different books are given, right? So how many options we have there? So if I have to take one book from this, so I have 25 options for mathematics, right? And for every one option, I have 20 options for physics. So I can say the total number of options in this case would be 25 into, right? 25 into 20. The total number of options will be 25 into 20, right? Now, so why we are multiplying this, right? How this is going for the multiplication, right? So this is known as multiplication principle. Multiplication principle, like what is this? If an event can occur in n ways, number of ways, and following which another event can occurs in m ways, means m different ways and n different ways, right? Then total number of different ways of simultaneously occurrence of both, occurrence of both the event will be m into n. Please note down, everyone. If an event can occur in n ways, following which another event can occur in m ways, m different ways and n different ways, the total number of different ways of simultaneous occurrence of both the event will be m into n. Means note down please. This is known as multiplication principle. Let from point A, I have to reach to point B, and then point B, I have to reach to point C, right? Point A, like let your home is there, right? Home to you have to go to, right, school. Your school is there. and from school you have to go to the playground, right? So in how many ways I can go to A to C, or I can say this will be, right? So from A, I have to reach to B. So I have two options to reach from A to B, right? Either from first part or second part, I have to reach to B, right? But from B to C, I have three options to reach to A to B to C. Now, in how many ways I can reach from A to C? So we can see this. We have two options for this and three options for this. For first option, I can say this is first. Second, this is A, B, C. So for first one, we have A, B, C. For second, we have A, B, C. So total number of options to reach from A to C will be 6. So we have 6 options are there to reach from A to C, right? Or if I'm saying we have digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? We have to form 6-digit number, right? We have to form 6-digit number, right? With the given digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? The number set is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we have to form a 6-digit number, right? 6-digit number. So what we have to do, we have to make a block of 6. So we can draw 5 lines on this, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So if I'm saying first case, repetition is not allowed. If it is not given, so repetition is not allowed. If repetition will be allowed, the cases will be different. In this case, we are saying repetition is not allowed. Repetition will be allowed, then it will be the separate case that will be given in the question itself, right? So for first place, in no restriction for any case. So for first place, we have 8 options, right? Any number you can put in first place, right? You have used one, then you have now 7 option, now 6 option, now 5 option, now 4 option, now 3 option. So this total number of ways will be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. This will be the total number of case when we are going to end up with, right, 6-digit number with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Please note down. So we are going to do some cases on this, some principle on this, right? How to use this multiplication one, right? Like n is given, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 only. We have to form 5-digit number, right? Case first. No restrictions. Case second, number divisible by 2. Third, divisible by 4. Divisible by 3. I hope all you know the divisibility case for 2, 4, and 3, right? Maximum 4-minute time you have to solve this. Your time starts now.
Sir,
Yes, please.
सर रिपीटिशन सब में अलाउड है?
Repetition किसी में भी अलाउड नहीं है बेटा.
ओके सर.
Very good. See, without restriction, we have to form a 5-digit number from the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? So, 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will form 5-digit number. And we have the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Right? There isn't any restriction, so we can start from any block, right? So let's suppose I'm starting with unit only. So I have 7 options there, right? So I have used one number. I have used 5 only. Then I have 6 options. Then 5. Then 4. Then 3. So total number of options in this case will be 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. Right answer of first question. How many of you got right answer? Write down yes in chat, please. Second question. This is divisible by 2, right? Divisible by 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? 5-digit numbers. Again, divisible by 2 with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We know that the unit place must be even if the number is even, right? If the number is even, unit place must be even. We have option 2, 4, 6, right? So total number of option in this case is 1, 2, and 3. So let I have used a number, right? Now we have 6 options and there isn't any restriction in this 10th place, 100 place, 1000 and 10,000 place. So I can start from anywhere. So this will be 6 option. I have used again one, so 5 option, 4 option and 3 options. So total is into 3 into 3. Number divisible by 2 or the number must be even, right? Okay. Third one, when we have to go for divisible by 4, 5-digit number, and the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. With the basic mathematics, we know that if we have to find divisible by 4 means last 2 digit of the number, right? Last 2 digit of the number must be divisible by 4. So how many options we have and how to calculate the options? This is 1, 2, 1, 6, right? 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 6, right? 5, 2, 5, 6, 6, 4, 7, 2, 7, 6, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 options for last 2 places, right? We have 10 options for last 2 places. Now we have to fill only 3 positions, right? 100, 1000, and 10,000. And for these 2 places, we have already used 2 numbers. Let I'm saying 6 and 4. I have taken 1 is 6, right? 64 is divisible, right? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 options we have, and there isn't any restriction. So I can start with 5 into 4 into 3. So total number of ways divisible by 4 will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 10, right? So we don't have 0, so we can't use 0, 4, 4, 0, 2, 0, and so on, right? So that's the reason we are not taking the number as with the 0, 1. Or we can think indivisible by 4. We know that if 10th place is odd number means the number would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? We don't have 9 there, but just I'm giving you the example how to get the number, right? So odd numbers are there. So here we can fill the number as 2 or 6, right? If this number is containing the number even, right? 10th place is containing the number even, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then this would be either 0 or 4 or 8, right? 0 or 4 or 8. Then this will be the perfect match of divisible by 4. Divisible by 4, right? We can find the number as this will be divisible by 4, right? But the best question for this, I can say, will be when we have to form a 5-digit number, right? We have to form a 5-digit number with the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And given 5-digit number divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. So we have different methods for this. So starting with the first method, divisible by 3 with the 5 digits. First, I'm saying, okay, we know that divisible by 3 condition is the sum of the number must be divisible by 3. The number will be divisible by 3. Right? So we have the total number sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. But we have to take only 5 of these. But the total number is 7 into 8 by 2. So this will be 28. Right? Total sum is 28, right? But I have to remove two numbers, two distinct number from this. So I can say if I have to remove two numbers from 28, the first number would be 24, that is divisible by 3. Means we have to reduce 4 on this. And this is casing, right? I have to remove 4 means I can remove 1 3 only, right? So 24 is divisible. So if I'll remove 1 3, so I'll left with the numbers 2 4 5 6 7. 2 4 5 6 7. If I'll make any number with the help of 2 4 5 6 7, number must be divisible by 3. Understand the same. If I'm giving you the number 1 2 3, right? 1 2 3, only 3 numbers are given. So I'm saying if you are framing any number with 1 2 3, maybe 1 2 3, maybe 2 1 3, maybe 3 2 1, maybe 3 1 2, maybe 2 3 1, maybe 1 3 2. All the numbers are divisible by 3. Any combination of this, only the condition is if you'll add all the 3 number and this number is coming is divisible by 3. So any permutation or any arrangement of the number will always give you the divisibility case for 3, right? So with the same manner, if I'm saying if I'm removing two numbers 1 and 3, so I'm left with the number 2 4 5 6 7, right? these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5-digit numbers are there, right? If 5-digit numbers are there, and we have to, right, we have to say this 5-digit number, how many numbers are possible that are divisible by 3? So 100% I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5-digit number. So I have 5 option, 4 option, 3 option, 2 option, 1 option. So this is factorial 5 only, right? 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? So this is, we are getting as factorial 5 only, right? So any combination will give you the factorial 5. So only I have to count how many options are possible, right? So while counting down this, how many options are possible, right? Going for this, again, first I said 24 is coming, and 24 I know I can reduce down the number 4 from 28, then only I'll get 24, and then we have to remove the number 1 and 3. B, this will be 21, minus 3 from 24 will be 21. 21 means I have to reduce down the number 7. 7, the combination will be 1, 6, 2, 5, and 3, 4. This is the best way when we have to count, start from the lowest one and gradually go to the greatest one. Then it's always safe, you'll not left out with any number, right? Always you'll get all the options, right? Then it's going to be 18. 18 means we have to reduce down 10. 1, 7 not work. 2, 7, maximum is 7, so 2, 7 will not work. But 3, 7 will work. 4, 6 will work. 5, 5 I'm not taking. Why? Because repetition is not allowed, right? D is again 15. 15 means we have to reduce down the number 13, right? 13, so only the combination 6, 7, right? So how many options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 combinations are there, means if you are not taking 6 and 7, you are making the numbers from 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5. So all the combination will be divisible by, right, 7 or 3 and so on, right? So 7 options are there, and every case what we are getting factorial 5. So the total number of cases for this will be 7 into factorial 5. This is the first method what we are getting, right? The method 2, second method. On this, please note down carefully this one. Then I'm going for the second one, divisible by 3. In this case, we are taking the number 1, 2, 3 as a block. 7 numbers are given, so we have taken the numbers as 1, 2, 3n. We know that this number is in the form of 3n plus 1. When we'll divide 1, 4, and 7 by 3, we're getting the remainder as 1, right? The second formation is 3n plus 2. When we'll divide the number by 3, we're getting the remainder as 2. And third formation is nothing but 3n plus 3, right? So we have the combination of the numbers. There we can say the numbers are in the form of 3n plus 1 either, or 3n plus 2 and 3n plus 3. If we have to take the infinite number, then also we can take the numbers as 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 3. The numbers must be in the form of either of the three. So we can take all the numbers, right? All the infinite numbers are containing by 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2, or 3n plus 3, right now. But what we have to do, right, in this case, we have to select 5 numbers from the set, right? We have to select 5 numbers from the set, and that must be, some of the number must be divisible by 3. So we have to take 5 numbers. Now we know that 5 numbers we have to take, the nature will be, so sum of the number must be divisible by 3, right? So how it's possible? Case first, I'm saying if I'll take all the 3 numbers from this nature 3n plus 1, I know, okay, if all the 3 numbers are coming as 3n plus 1, so all the numbers are divisible by 3 only. So 3n is divisible by 3. So first number I'm getting 1, second number I'm getting the remainder 1, and third number I'm getting the remainder 1. Means if I'll add all the 3 numbers to 100%, sum of the number will be divisible by 3 only, right? So 2 numbers I'm taking from there, right? First 3 numbers are coming from 1, 1, 1. The remainder is 1, 1, 1. To 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. And 2 numbers are coming from 3 and 3. So number will be divisible by 3. Now, the second case, 2 numbers are coming from 3n plus 1. 2 numbers are coming from 3n plus 2, right? And one number is coming from this, right? So I have 3 options on this and 2 options, right? So out of 3, I have to take 3, all the 3. So one option I'm using, and for this again I'm using one option. For 2, all the 2 I'm taking. But from this, I have to take 2 numbers out of 3. So will be 3 options, right? Either I can go with 1, 4, 1, 7, and 4, 7. All the 2 numbers I'm taking, so one option, and 2 numbers are there. Either I can go for 1 or 2. That will be 7 case. 6 plus 1 will be 7 case. And every time we are getting 5 factorial. So again we are getting 7 into 5 factorial, right? 7 into 5 factorial. Hope everyone is getting this, right? Maybe you can explore the things, right? But one more question I'm giving to you. So be careful. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Make 6-digit number divisible by 3. That's it. By both the methods, right? You have to apply both the methods. That would be good. Very good, very good. Go by both the methods, first and second. Method first, right? When I'll add all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 8, then we know that this will going to be 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 8 is 8 into 9 by 2 will be 36, right? So first thing what I have to do, right, 36 is completely divisible. So I have to go for 33. So I have to subtract 3, right? 3 is coming from 1 to only, right? B is 30. 30 means I have to reduce down this by 6. 6 means 1, 5, 2, 4, right? 3, 3 is not possible. Then 27 means 9, right? 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6, 4, 5, right? D 24, 12. So it will start from, right, I have to start this from 4, 8, 5, 7, right? E is 21 means 15, that will be 7 and 8 only, right? So how many options we are taking there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, right? 10 options are there, right? How many 6-digit numbers we have to make, right? So all the 10 options are there and factorial 6 for 6-digit number. So total is 10 into factorial 6. But if I'm going with the method, the different method I'm counting there, like one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is in the form of 3n plus 1, 3n plus 2, 3n plus 3, right? Now I have to count the numbers. 6 numbers are possible, right? So 3 coming from this and 3 coming from this. 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 1 only and 3. 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be 6 only. So sum will be divisible, right? Okay, second, right? 2 numbers coming from this, 2 numbers coming from this, and 2 numbers coming from this, right? If one number I'm taking from first one, second, obviously for second also I have to take one number. So 2 numbers are coming and we don't have 4 numbers in 3n plus 3 form. So not possible, right? So in this case, out of 3, I have taken 1 and 1, right? Out of 3, I have to take 2. So this is 3 cases, and again 3 cases, 9 plus 1, 10 cases, and every time you are getting 6. So 10 into factorial 6. Okay, right? So this method is like with the numbers we are doing this, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you explain the last part, second method again?
See, this number is 3n plus 1. So if any number is coming 1, 7 or 5, 1, 4 and 7, you are getting 1, right? So if you are taking all the 3 numbers, means you are getting 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's coming as 3. So this sum of all the 3 number will be divided by 3. This is a symbolic thing. Symbolic thing means 3n is always divisible and remainder every time you are getting a remainder 1, right? So if you are taking 3 numbers, so obviously this will be divisible. Same with the case when you are taking all the 3 numbers 2, 2, 2. So 2 plus 2 will be 6. This is also divisible by 3, right? Now, in the case of first one, if I'm taking only 2 numbers means 1 plus 1, that will be 2. Again, the same number of like digits I'm taking from 3n plus 2. So means I'm taking 2 plus 2, 4, and this was 1 plus 1, 2, right? So 4 plus 2 will be 6. So this is divisible, right? And now 3n plus 3 is always divisible. So I'm saying the sum of the number will be divisible by 6, right? Okay. Now, look, the next principle of this was for multiplication. The same way, this is known as addition principle. You have to add the numbers, right? If an event occurs in m different ways, and another event can occurs in n different ways, then exactly one of the event can happen in m plus n ways. Note down, please. If an event occurs in m ways, m different ways, and another event can occurs in n different ways, right? Then exactly one of the event can occurs in m plus n ways. Right? See, if I'm saying in a group of people, right, there are 50 persons, right? 30 boys and 20 girls are there, right? And we have to make a group leader, right? We have to make a group leader, right? So what are the options we have, right? Ek aadmi koi, like only one person will be the group leader in this way, right? So I'm saying okay, if group leader is coming from 30 boys, so the number of options will be 30. If group leader is coming from 20 girls, the total number of ways will be 20 only, right? But the event can occur in 30 ways, different ways, and another event can occur in 20 ways, right? Then total number of event, exactly one event has to happen, then total number of event will be, in this case, the total number of event will be 50 cases. So total number we are getting as 50, right? This is known as, you have to add this, so this is called addition principle. In the same manner, if I'm giving you a question, right, you have to use this. How many of the first 1,000 positive integers have distinct digit? Maximum 3-minute time. See, in this case, how many how many of the first 1000 integer have distinct digits, right? So obviously case first, when we are taking only one digit number, right? So positive is given, so we can only fill with 1 2 3 up to 9, so we have 9 options for this, right? Okay, second, when we are going for two digit number, so obviously we have taken the one digit number, so at 10th place we must not have to fill any zero, right? If zero will be there, so this will be one digit number, so that's not possible for me, right? So if I'm not taking zero here, so we have 9 options, right? But for this, we know that we can take the number from, right? The number, if I have taken two there, so we can't take two, or three there, so we can't take three, but we can take zero. So again, we have 9 options, so this will be 81, right? Third case, for three digit number, right? Obviously zero is not there, so we have 9 options for this. So 9 options for this, and this is 8 option. 9 option for this means we are taking all the number except zero. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 at 7 8 or 9, right? But if I have taken 5 4 3 any number, so in 10th place we must not have to use that number. So that's the reason I'm writing 9. So we have used two numbers, one for this 100 position and one for 10th position. So for unit position we have only 8 options. So what we are getting is 9 into 9 into 8, right? So total is 9 plus 81 plus 9 into 9 into 8. So what this is coming as 81, 99, 81, so 648, and 90 will be 738 something. So hope you all are getting this number right, and please go through the solution if want to see all the different digits, right? So first I have taken a single digit number, right? Second, I have taken the two digit number, and third I have taken three digit number. Okay, now, so with the above example, if I'm using now the two things, right, as the numbers are given 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, we have to form 5 digit number. Case first, right, all possible 5 digit number. Second, number divisible by 2. Third, number divisible by 4. Fourth, number divisible by 5. And fifth, number divisible by 3. Right? All the 5 case, you have 7 minutes for this. Your time starts now. Repetition not allowed. If curly bracket is given, 100% you have to remember this. This curly bracket is for distinct, right? If it is not given in the question, repetition means repetition not allowed, right? 7 minutes. Your time starts now. Very good, very good. Go ahead, everyone. Do it fast, do it fast. Starting with the first one, all possible ways for 5-digit number with the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? We have to form 5-digit number from this. Right? One, two, three, four. Right? 5-digit number from this. Right? So this, obviously in this place we can't take 0. So we have 6 options, right? Any number like we are putting there. But in this place we can put 0. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again I'm getting 6 option, right? This having 5 option, this having 4 option, this having 3 option. So without any restrictions we are getting 6 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. The total number of option when we have to form 5-digit numbers and 0 are given there, right? With 0 when we have to go, right? So like, or we can go with, right? If we have to form 5-digit numbers, in this case, digits are given. One, two, three, four, 5-digit numbers, right? We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? If with like I'm taking all the numbers, 7 options are there, 6, 5, 4, 3. But we did a mistake. What mistake is there? If I have taken number 0 at first place, this will not work, right? Right? So I have to subtract this case. So 0 if I have taken there. So I have 7 option, oh, 6 option, 5 option, 4 option, 3 option. If I'll subtract this option from there, right, then again we are getting the same thing. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 minus 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So this number 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 is common out from there, right? So we are getting 6 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So total number of options will be, in this case we are getting this. Either you can go with a one go and just you can count the number of how many numbers you have to put, or you can go by subtracting this from the total case, right? case 2, when we have to go for divisible by 2 with the digits 0 to 7. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, right? We have to form a 5-digit number divisible by 2. We are taking two cases for this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Case first. If 0 is at the unit place, so we know that if 0 is at the unit place, so all the number must be divisible by 2. So if I'm taking 0 at unit place, right, and there isn't any restrictions on this, so we have all the option up to 6. So we'll use this, right? So if I have taken 0 at this place, so I have 6 option, then 5, 4, 3. Now, in the second case, if I'm saying x 0, the number would be 2, 4, or 6, right? So we have 3 options, still the number will be even, right? But we have used one of this. So for this place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 options, but 0 I'm not taking, this will be 5 option, right? If I have taken one number, then again I can take 0. So that's the reason again 5 option, 4 option, 3 option. Once again, say this one. In this case, the unit place may contain 2, 4, and 6. So we have 3 options. Let's suppose I have taken the number 2, right? So now I have the options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? We have 6 options for this, right? We have 6 options for this, but we can't take 0 at this place. So if I'm not taking 0, so we have only 5 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I have written 5. Let's suppose I have used one another number, that's 5, or any one number, right? So if I have used 5, so now I can use 0 also for this place. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 options are there. So I'm using 5. Then again reducing down at this. So either by this way means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 3, you're getting the answer. Please note down everyone. divisible by 4. Now, this time we have to take care of divisible by 4 with 0, right? We know that divisible by 4 will start with 0, 4, right? First, second option, right? 0 and the number is there, 1, 2, 1, 6, right? Then 2, 0, right? 2, 4, 3, 2, 3, 6, right? 4, 0, right? 4, 4 is not possible because the repetition is there, right? 5, 2, 5, 6, 6, 0, 6, 4, right? So we have these many options divisible by, if 10th place contain odd number, then it will be ended with 2 and 6. Okay. Note down, please. Right? And the second case, when this is with 0, so this is 04204060, right? With the even number at 10th place is 2464, right? So how many options we have now? You can see this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 options are there, but with 0, without 0. So I'm taking the nature, right, when 0 is not there, right? 1, 2 is there. So this 1, 2 is symbolic. So this is representing this number or this number, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. For 8 numbers we are going, right? For 5-digit number, last 2 digit, that this is 1 and this is 2, right? From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have used the number 1 and 2, but restriction in this place, 0 we can't take. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options for this place. For this, obviously, if I have used 3, so I have again 4 option and I have again 3 option for this. And the 1, 2 was symbolic. I said like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cases are there for, in place of 1, 2, you can write 1, 6, 3, 2, 3, 6 or 6, 4, right? So from this, if I'm writing this A, 4 into 4 into 3 into 8 options we are getting, right? B, if the last 2 digit is restricted with any 01, like I'm saying I have taken 20, right? With the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, I have taken 0 and 2, right? How many options now? We have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many options we have for this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there isn't any restriction. So 4, then 3. And how many of number like 2040 options are there? So from this I'm getting 5 into 4 into 3 into 4, right? So either by this way I'm getting divisible by 4 or this way divisible by 4. So add both the number, that will be your answer. Please note down. This is the case for divisible by 4. Now divisible by 5. See, the digits are again given with the same numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? Divisible by 5, right? 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Divisible by 5. So first case when 0 will be there, right? If 0 is there, so 100% I know the number will be divisible by 5. So 0 is there, so how many options we have? No restrictions, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, and this is one option. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, right? First. Second case, when we are saying, okay, we have to go for divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So in this case, we have to be careful for numbers, right? If I'm using 5 there, right? If 5 is in the place, so accordingly I have to go like one option I have used, right? For this place I can't use 0, so already used 5 and I can't use 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 5 options we have. But in this place now I can use 0, so again 5 option, 4 option, 3 option. So 5 into 5 into 4 into 3. Divisible by 5. Right, this is the case when this is divisible by 5. But the most interesting case in this will be divisible by 3. Hope you have already attempted this question. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is natural number n. So few numbers are given, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, including 0, right? And we have to take 5 numbers from the set, right? And number must be divisible by 3, right? So I can go by either of the method. So first method we are going, so 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. This will be 6 into 7 by 2, and this is coming as 21. The number 21 is divisible by 3, so I can say, okay, 21 first is coming as 21, and this is divisible by 3. So I have to reduce down the number, right? 0, two numbers I have to reduce. So first number would be 18, right? 18 means we have to reduce down this by 3. 3 will be 0, 3 or 1, 2. B, this will be 15. So I have to reduce this down by 6. And 6 means this is going for 061524, right? Repetition not allowed, so not going for 33. 15, then 12, right? Means I have to reduce this by 9. 06 not possible, 16 not possible, 26 not possible, but 3, 6, 4, 5 is possible, right? D, right? Number may be 9, means I have to reduce this by 12, right? Is 12 is possible in this case, so 6 I can go, so maximum this can go with 6 plus 5 12, so no number I'm getting from there, right? So how many options we have? 1, 2, which is 0, right? We have to remove 0, and other options are there when right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means if I'm taking out 1, 2 from the number, means 0 is still there with the number. We have the digits, digits, like the digits we have in this case was 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? If I'm taking out the number 1 and 2 from there, right, 1, 2 is not there, so this is 0, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The same way for these all the cases, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5 options, right? When I have used 0, 3, so I have number 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6, right? So we have two options. These are 5 cases, these are 2 cases, right? So 5 cases we have to make like 5-digit number from this, but 0 is there. So be careful on this part, right? 5-digit number with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't use 0 here, right? So this is 4 options, right? This is 4 option. This is 3, 2, 1, right? So this is 4 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5, because 5 cases are there, right? And in this, right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can use any number. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2, because 2 cases are there. Add both the number, you'll get the answer. This is the first method. I hope everyone is getting this, right? So please go through this. Note down. right? Divisible by 3 again, right? Now the second method. In the second method, we have to just make the chart of this. This is 3n plus 0 or 3n plus 3 form, I can say. Right, this is 3n plus 1 form. This is 3n plus 2 form. All the three cases are there, right? And I have to select 5 numbers on this, right? How we can calculate the 5 numbers on this? Okay, maybe the first case, I'm saying all the 3 numbers I'm taking from this, and if I'm taking one number of 3n plus 1, so obviously to come, you have to compensate that. So I have to take another number that must be 3n plus 2, right? In the same way, if I'm saying, if I have taken 2 numbers from 3n plus 2, so 100% 2 numbers I have to take from, right? The second one, and one number, it has to be go with one of this, right? So like for first case, I can say out of 3, I'm taking all 3. So one case, this is 2 case, and 2 cases are there. And for second, out of 2, I've taken 2 from both this, and from this is total number of cases will be 7. But this is not enough for us, right? This is not enough for us because we have to count it down when the zeros are coming and when the zeros are not coming. Because if the zeros are coming, we have to make the numbers 5 digit, that will be totally different. And zeros are not coming, the number will be totally different, right? So in the 7 case, I can say like if I have taken 0 from one number, I've taken 0, right? All the 3 and 6, right? So any number is coming from 1, 4, one number, and 2, 5. So in all the cases, right, means 0, 3, 6, 1, 2, 0, 3, 6, 1, 5, 0, 3, 6, 4, 2, 0, 3, 6, 4, 5, right? All the 4 cases, zeros are there, right? In the second case, if one number I have to select and I'm selecting the 0 and 1, 4, 2, 5. So this is again containing 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 cases are there that contain 0. If it is containing 0, so I know that this will be 4 into 4 into 3 into 2. The cases are there, right? For zeros, right? And maybe the number 3 and you are taking all the number 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, or 6, 1, 4, 2, 5, right? Two numbers are possible that's coming as 3, 1, 4, 2, 5, or 6, 1, 4, 2, 5. And in these cases, I know that 5 numbers are there and it can be 5 into 2. So this is 2 into factorial 5. So overall, it's a very good number is coming with you, right? This is 4 into factorial 5 plus 2 into factorial 5. The 6 into factorial 5 is factorial 6 only. Please note down. Just we'll go with the second part again, right? Carefully, you can see this. The calculation part, what I'm doing, just note down. Take your time, 2 minutes. Then I'm starting again. We have divided the number into 3 parts, 3n plus 0, 3n plus 1, and 3n plus 2. We know that if I'm taking 3 numbers of 3n plus 0, so one number from 3n plus 1 and other number must be from 3n plus 2. So total number of cases I have taken there, right? So if all three numbers I have taken 0, 3, 6, so one number I have to take from 3n plus 1 number I have to take from. So how many options we have? So four options. If you have to distribute 1, 4, and 2, 5, so with 1 it's coming 2, 5, and with 4 it's coming 2, 5. So total number will be 4. So four numbers are coming on this part. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. When 0, 3, 6 is coming, and I'm taking all the numbers, right? Now go for the second case. In the second case, one number I have to take of 3n plus 0, maybe the number would be 0, 3, or 6. So let's suppose I'm saying I have taken the number 0, right? One number I have to take from 3n plus 0, so I have taken 0 there. And two numbers I have to take from 1, 4, and two numbers I have to take from 2, 5. So complete number is going there, 0, 1, 4, 2, 5, right? Now, how many ways we can form this number? So we have 5-digit number we have to form. And for first place, I can't zero. I can't use the zero. So I have four options. But now I can use zero. So four options. That's three options, two options, and one option. So that's written there. And how many these type of numbers you are getting? To five numbers we are getting. To five into this will be, that's I'm writing factorial 5, right? Now in the second case, right, when I'm saying like in the this case, I'm saying one number I have to use either 3 or 6. So one number either 3. So with 3 I have used all the four numbers of this, or if I'm taking 6, so I have used all the numbers there, right? Now in this case, right, this arrangement of the number, right, all are different. 5-digit numbers I have to put, and in these 5-digit, right, we have to use 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in this case, right? Or we can go with this. All the digits are different. So this will be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's given as factorial 5. How many options you have? Like you can go with this numbers, or there is a number. So two options are there to 2 into factorial 5. Total you are getting factorial 5 is common from this. So you are getting factorial 6. Hope everyone is getting this. It's a nice arrangement of numbers. Okay, the last question on this I'm asking, okay, just we have framed the numbers not, right? A plus B plus C, D plus E plus F, P plus Q plus R plus S, and X plus Y plus Z plus V plus W, right? Find number of terms in the product of this given number, please. What are the total number of terms, like completely when you are multiplying this, how many terms are possible? A simple question, but now when addition and multiplication is there, how to use your fundamental, and you can write down the answer chat also. you have to use the fundamental, right? The basic fundamental in this question, like 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So I have to use these 4 digits, right? 1, 2, 3. So first I'm taking this key, like I have to take product of 4 numbers. So I have to take one number from this, right? First one. So I have 3 options from there, right? Second number, again 3 option. Third number, 4 option, and this having 5 option. So total will be 3 into 3 into 4 into 5. Right. So main thing is the application part, how to apply this, right? So in next class, we'll go for the basic definition of permutation and combination and the factorial terms. Then we'll go with the questions also, right? Thank you for today. Anyone want to ask anything, you can text me or you can send me a message or you can unmute